Really well. Well, you know what's weird is I was walking the dog.
And how'd she react?
I don't know. I was just like, oh, it's getting dark. I got to get my stuff out. Get out the welding helmet.
I don't know how they would react. I don't know. You know, they talk about all these animals. Your wild animals will act different because they're out there. Our domesticated ones, hell, they don't know if you're walking them.
No.
You know.
See, yeah, this works really good.
Good.
Hold it.
What time is it?
And see if you can do it with your camera.
No, because I won't be able to see it and I can't put it in. You mean like
that's
this?
That's true, yeah.
No, it doesn't show anything. I have to take a picture of it.
Yeah, that's why it's green.
Because realistically, it wasn't supposed to happen till 3:13 or 3:18 or something, and my clock says it's 3:10.
There we go.
Colder even still.
I think so too.
Yeah, that's probably the closest I can get zoomed in. Oh, that is wild.
It is, isn't it? And you'll get to see that. Well,
yeah, I can see it through the edge, so I can see it both on my camera and on the edges.
See the next one in 2044.
Oh, really?
Don't tell them whether that'll be here or not. I don't know where that will be in the United States.
Yep, but there'll be another one in 2044.
Oh, really?
I probably won't be here, but you never know.
No, we won't be here, but you will.
It's only 20 years.
Oh my God, honey.
You'll be 90.
I'm 70 years old.
Yeah, I know, you'll be 90.
Yeah.
Hey, my grandpa's 90.
There you go.
I know. And I've got 3 times the problems your grandpa's got probably.
Well, I don't.
No,
So
you
I
don't.
might still be here.
You could possibly be
Auntie
here.
Grace, if I live as long as Auntie Grace, I will be.
You'll be here. Yeah, you will, honey.
And I'll say, I remember sitting out on the front. And the
And
little
my wife said we wouldn't be here.
Yep. And the little neighbor boy came over with his welding helmet and was taking pictures.
And
Is it just me or is it getting brighter?
Is it on the other side already?
Yep.
yep, it's on the other side. How fast it's supposed to be moving.
Yeah, that moon's supposed to be moving at 2,000 miles an hour.
Dang.
Yeah. And it's still taking it a while to get out of the way, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's got a long way to go.
Well,
And I kept looking out here
it's
before
getting
this.
farther to the right side of the moon. As
Right.
opposed to the top
Actually,
left.
the moon's getting farther to the left.
Yes, exactly.
And I kept looking earlier. I thought you'd be able to see the moon. Like some days when you're out here, you see a reflection of the moon.
Yep.
But apparently it's all the way behind it. And you
Yep.
can't see it because the
Yep.
dark side is facing us.
Yep,
There's no part with any sun facing us.
exactly.
I got this idea from someone at college. He brought in a welding helmet last time there was an eclipse.
Well, that's a good idea. I mean, they work.
Oh, yeah.
I forgot your dad even had those.
Oh, yeah.
Is that Scott?
Yeah.
Different pictures?
It's a totally different.
Oh.
Yeah, that's cool. Using the actual glasses instead of like a welding helmet. Definitely out of focus. So come on, there we go.
See?
Yep.
There we go.
Across the road.
I locked it in place. Yeah, it's got an orange glow with these glasses.
Yeah, that's what I said, a yellow-orange glow.
Going through the parking lot.
Hey,
Five, but there might be 6.
I think there's 6. I think there's 4 babies and 2 adults. They had those early.
Are you talking about the deer?
No.
Talk about turkeys.
There's turkeys running through the parking lot over there at the old folks' home. I can't see him now.
All right. Looks like it's all done. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was kind of a, I wouldn't say once in a lifetime, but you know, one of the few times in a lifetime opportunity, you know, something to see here. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed and you have a wonderful day.